We've all been there. You watch the chart. The line goes down, and that red number just gets bigger. Your heart starts pounding, your palms get sweaty, and your stomach drops. Your first instinct: I gotta fix this. Maybe I'll add to my position. Maybe I'll just close it. I'll revenge trade. That's panic. But here's the thing. Professional traders lose money. They lose trades all the time. The difference? They don't panic. They have a system. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on that system. This isn't just theory. This is the secret to survival. So, what's the first secret? It's simple, but it's the hardest one to master. They accept the loss before they even enter the trade. Sounds weird, right? But think about it. A pro never clicks buy without knowing exactly where their stop loss is. And the moment they set that stop loss, they have mentally accepted that amount as the cost of doing business. The loss isn't a surprise to them. It's a calculated possibility. You have to stop seeing a loss as a personal failure and start seeing it as a business expense. Strategy number 2. They detach their emotions from the outcome of one single trade. When you're in a losing position, your entire world shrinks. All you see is that one red candle, that one trade failing. A pro zooms out. They look at their weekly performance, their monthly goal. They know this one trade is just one of the next 1,000 trades they're going to make. It doesn't define their skill. It doesn't break their account because they used good risk management. It's just data. You need to see the forest, not just the single burning tree. This brings us to number 3. They don't panic because they already have a plan for being wrong. A professional doesn't decide what to do during the panic. They decided what to do last night or last week when they were calm and analyzing the charts. They have a predefined plan. If price hits X, I'm out. No questions asked. Your job in a losing trade isn't to think or hope. Your job is simply to execute the plan you made when you were logical and objective. Okay, real talk for a second. If you're finding this helpful and you really want to get a grip on your trading mind, do me a solid and hit that like button right now. It seriously helps the channel. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Trade Mentality. We're building a community here that focuses on the psychology of trading, not just signals, and I want you to be a part of it. All right, let's get back to it. Strategy number 4 is pure biology. You can't control the market, but you can control your body. When you start to lose, your body goes into fight or flight mode. Your heart races, your breathing gets shallow. Cortisol, the stress hormone, floods your system. You cannot make a good financial decision in that state. So, what do the pros do? They breathe. Seriously, take 3 deep, slow breaths. Feel your shoulders drop. Even better, get up. Walk away from the screen for 60 seconds. Get a glass of water. Reset your physical state, and your mental state will follow. Number 5 is a major mindset shift. Stop staring at your P&L. Watching that red number bounce around just feeds the panic. Instead, pros focus entirely on their process. Ask yourself this one question: did I follow my plan? If your setup was valid, your entry was correct according to your rules, and your stop loss was in the right place, then you executed a good trade, even if it lost money. You have to separate the quality of your decision from the outcome of the trade. The market is random sometimes. Your process is what you control. And finally, strategy number 6. What happens after the loss is closed? Amateurs ruminate on the loss. They beat themselves up. I'm so stupid. I always lose. I should have known. This is emotional and destructive. Professionals review the loss. They take out their trade journal and, like a detective, they write down what happened. Why did this fail? Was my analysis wrong? Did news come out? Did I break a rule? They turn the loss from pain into data. Don't obsess over the money. Extract the lesson. That's how you get better. So there you have it. 6 strategies to stop the panic and start handling your losses like a true professional. Remember, trading isn't about never losing. It's about not letting the losses destroy your mind or your account. Thanks for hanging out with me today on Trade Mentality. Trade smart, stay calm, and I'll catch you in the next one.